Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode. We are officially in Queensland, which is so exciting. We are now on to another state. We have made our way today to Cape Tribulation, and we have just been at Thornton's Beach, which was so beautiful. The mountains and the beach together. I think it is a World Heritage Site where the Great Barrier Reef comes and meets another World Heritage Site, which is the Daintree Rainforest as well. I think it's the only place where there's two together, so that was super cool to see. We've now come to Cape Tribulation Beach, and we're going to do the Colkie Boardwalk and also check out Mile Beach as well. So let's go. Now we're making our way now to Mile Beach, heading up the steps. Good morning guys, it is day 2 at Cape Tribulation Daintree Rainforest area. Last night we ended up staying at a caravan park called Safari Lodge, which was so beautiful amongst the rainforest trees. It was $22 per person, had all facilities, toilet, showers, everything, as well as a really beautiful camp kitchen area. So we were able to sit there and make our dinner and everything, which was so nice. We're starting today with a boardwalk called Millaa Boardwalk, which we've just arrived to, and we're about to start the walk. The Cape Tribulation area is also a spot where you can see cassowaries. So some people have spotted cassowaries on this walk, which would be incredible to see, but I know it might be a bit of a stretch being able to see one. So we finished the Millaa walk. We didn't see a cassowary unfortunately, but now we're about to make our way to the Daintree Discovery Centre and have a walk through the Daintree Rainforest. We have now made our way to the Daintree Discovery Centre to do the canopy tower climb. I think that's what we're going to do, and I think there's a few other walks here as well that we're going to check out. So we're in the Daintree Discovery Centre doing the walks around and going to go up the canopy. It has so much information about the Daintree Rainforest, which is so good, and you also get an audio guide which you just put on your ear and listen to at certain spots, which is really nice. And yeah, so beautiful through here, and it's so great being able to learn about the history. Tree we're about to see is 500 years old. Good morning guys, it's been a couple of days since we've left the Daintree Cape Tribulation area. We spent the last few days just making our way down to Cairns, so we stopped at Port Douglas, Palm Cove and Trinity Beach, which was so nice to just have a few days to relax and just check out a couple of beaches. Today we're doing something really exciting. We're actually up early and about to head into Cairns to the terminal, as we are going out on the Great Barrier Reef today. It's been a while since we've been out in the water, so we're really looking forward to it. We're just getting ready now and about to head on down. We had such an incredible day yesterday out on the Great Barrier Reef. It was so nice to get back in the water. It's been a few months. I think the last time was when we were in Dampier. I didn't even get in there, so for me it's been since Exmouth since we've been able to snorkel and have a dive. So it was so nice out there, and it was so beautiful to see all the different fish and beautiful coral. It was just incredible. To finish today's episode, our final thing that we're doing up here in Tropical North Queensland is the Waterfall Circuit, which includes Millaa Millaa Falls, Zillie Falls and Ellinjaa Falls, which we're going to check out. We've just arrived at Millaa Millaa Falls and we're about to head on down. You can hear the falls in the background and see it just through there. So yeah, I'm going to head on down now. We've now arrived at the second falls, which is Zillie Falls, and we're about to head on down. We've now made it to the third and final falls of the Waterfall Circuit, which is Ellinjaa Falls.
So we've finished the Waterfall Circuit. We didn't do much swimming because we've just done so much of it in the last couple of months.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was still good to see them, but yeah, we're going to wrap this video up here.
And we'll see you next week in our next episode.
Bye.
Bye.